Hi viewers, this is Sri Ramalu. Today's topic is a shell model. So I, ex- I explained the liquid drop model, and now I am going to explain shell model. So according to see here shell model, according to this shell model, the nucleus consists of a series of protons and neutrons placed in a certain discrete levels or shell, just like electrons in the discrete shell of an atom. So what is the meaning of discrete shells? For example, let it is a atom containing the nucleus and the shells. See, it is a nucleus. This is a nucleus, and nearer to the nucleus, the cell is called ground state. It is denoted by a line, and the second shell is denoted by this line. Similarly, third, fourth are denoted in this manner. And at the beginning, the electrons present in the ground level, if they take the energy, then they cannot stay here. They jump to the next level and they stay in the next level is general next level is called excited level, excited state. They stay here how much time? 10 to the power of minus 9 seconds only, and later they come back by releasing energy how much they absorbed before they jumping, like this. How the electron takes a place like this, in the same manner protons and neutrons also do the same thing, right? And they also take the absorbs energy in the form of radiations, and they jump to the next level and come back. While coming back, they emit the energy, and that emitted energy appeared in the form of gamma rays, right? See, like this. This is I can see the first one. According to the cell model, the nucleus consists of a series of protons and neutrons placed in certain discrete levels. These are the certain discrete levels, not continuous, discrete levels. These are the right discrete levels are shells, just like electrons in the discrete shell of an atom. Next, according to Pauli exclusion principle, two protons with opposite spins and two neutrons having opposite spins are accommodated in a particular shells. Here, according to Pauli, generally Pauli exclusion principle is what? So already we know there are the four quantum numbers: n, principal quantum number, angular momentum quantum number, magnetic momentum quantum number, and spin quantum number. So according to Pauli exclusion principle, no two electrons can have these four quantum numbers same. Okay, so if you take the two electrons, for the two electrons, so among these four quantum numbers, they cannot have the same. That means here the n value generally starts with 1, l value starts 1, it is 1 2, l value starts with n value starts with 1 2 3, so on, like this. And m and l value starts 0 1 2 3, m l values minus 1 0 plus 1 plus 2 minus 2, like this. ms value always plus or minus half. Okay, plus or minus half. If we take a 1 from the n, so 1 here present, and 1 also here in l present, and 1 also present here. And here if you observe in spin quantum number, you cannot get one value, it is always half value only. That means you cannot have the all the quantum numbers same. Okay, so once again listen the Pauli exclusion principle: no two electrons can have four quantum numbers same. That is a Pauli exclusion principle. Okay, so Pauli exclusion principle applies for identical particles such as electrons or protons or neutrons. Okay, so that is why here two protons with opposite spin, one proton has to spin in clockwise direction, other has to spin in anti-clockwise direction, and a two neutron having the same thing, having opposite spins and accommodated in a particular shell. So they accommodate here. How electron, generally we can keep the electron in orbital, two electrons only. Okay, like this, two electrons in each orbital, two electrons will be filled. In the same manner, in each orbit here protons also two protons will be filled and two neutrons like this. Next, in this way the first shell accommodates the two protons and two neutrons, see, only two and is more tightly bound than other shell. So two electrons because of two protons and two neutrons. Electrons, like electrons, protons also bind tightly, right? And next, the concept of shell model is based on the following facts. So concept of the shell model means here it is we observe it is a nucleus. Around the nucleus what present, the shell present like this, first cell, second cell and fourth cell in this manner. And here what he is saying, it has been observed that nuclei containing protons and neutrons numbers 2, 8, 20, 50, 82, 126 are known as magic number or cell numbers, are exceptionally stable as in case of electronic cell rule of 2, 8, 18 etc. This shows that there are definite energy cells in the nuclei. Now here the element or nuclei which contains either 2 or 8 or 20 or 50 or 82 or 120 protons and neutrons, such nuclei are always more stable. Okay, and it is what, it is a configuration rule it is. Okay, so like a configuration rule, proton and neutron also having the same rule, that is the meaning of this. Next, the observation is based on the following experimental evidence. So above one is concepts of shell model is based on the following facts. It is a concept, and here the observation, experimental observation it is, and they got the certain evidence. First one, the nuclei for which Z means number of protons and A minus Z means number of neutrons are 2. 2 means number of Z number 2 means that is what, helium. Okay, Z number 8 means that is oxygen, like this. Here Z is 2 and A minus Z is what, it is also 2. See, same number, 2 neutrons, 2 protons and 2 neutrons. A minus Z gives number of neutrons, here also given number of neutrons. So like this in oxygen also same now. So that is why these are the more stable than other nuclei. The second point is the nuclei for which Z or A minus Z is a magic number are specially stable. Okay, what he is saying, the nuclei for which either Z or A minus Z, either Z or A minus Z numbers belongs to these numbers, those nuclei are more stable, they are saying. So these are the basic numbers. And see here, Z value is what, 28, or A minus Z is what, it is 50. So either Z or A minus Z, if they are belongs to the magic number, those nuclei are more stable. So here nickel and strontium also given. So these are the more stable nuclei. Next, binding energy curve shows the breaks or kinks. Breaks or kinks means like this. Okay, in this manner, breaks or kinks at these nuclei which correspond to the sudden increase in their binding energy per nucleus. Sudden increase and sudden decrease will occur, that is called kinks or breaks. Here next, the electronic quadrupole moments for magic number nuclei are very low. Electronic quadrupole moment, what it explains? Electronic quadrupole moment explain to us the shape of nuclei, shape of the nucleus. Suppose it is a spherical shape, electronic quadrupole moment is what, it is 0. So like this. So electronic quadrupole moment for magic numbers nuclei are very low, means approximately 0. That means we can say that the shape of the magic number nuclei are spherical shape, sphere shape will present, not a ellipsoidal. This shows that these nuclei have almost spherical distribution. This is expected for more stable nuclei. So that is why they are more stable nuclei. Next, merits. There are the merits, advantages are there by using this model. This model has been successfully explained, or explained, that meaning the account means explained magic numbers. So liquid drop model, what it did, it failed to explain the magic number, but it is successfully explained the magic number. And next is, this model explains the observed angular momentum of the neutron and proton, magnetic momentum, electric quadrupole moments of the nuclei. So this model successfully explained angular momentum, magnetic momentum, and electric quadrupole moment. But there is a fail also. So failure, demerit means failure. This model fails to explain and accounts for the large nuclear quadrupole movements and spheroidal shapes of many nuclei. Here, certain nuclei contain the more A value, more atomic mass value. For such things, this shell model couldn't explain their shape. Quadrupole movement means they couldn't explain the electric quadrupole movement, and spheroidal shape. So not complete shape they contain. Sometimes the deviation also present, but heavier mass spherical shape couldn't explain by this model. So that is why this model is a fail to explain one thing. So that is this one. Okay friends, thank you. Don't forget watching this video.